Thank you for purchasing our tower closet unit. The following video will show you how to assemble models TW18, TW24, or TW30. The parts included will be one right side panel, one left side panel, three top, mid, and bottom panels, four shelves, and four back braces. Hardware is also included to assemble your unit. Please refer to your written assembly instructions for specific models and quantities. You will need the following tools to assemble your closet unit: a rubber mallet, a hammer, a Phillips head screwdriver, and optionally an electric drill fitted with a number 2 Phillips bit. On each side panel you will find a series of pre-drilled holes. The three smallest holes drilled in triangular pattern are for the closet rod supports if you are assembling a unit with a hanging closet rod. The other two sized holes are for the dowels required to assemble your unit. Take note that the smaller of the two dowel holes are for the wooden dowels provided, whereas the larger holes are for the plastic dowels and mini-fix bolts included in your kit. If your unit includes adjustable shelving, they will be installed later in the video using the 2 rows of evenly spaced holes along the middle of the panels. With a hammer, tap in a wooden dowel into the smaller dowel hole. For the larger dowel hole, hammer in a plastic dowel until it is securely seated into the hole. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the mini-fix bolt into the plastic dowel. Alternatively, you can also use an electric drill or screwdriver. But be sure to lessen the torque power to avoid damage during assembly. On each top panel, bottom panel, and back braces, you will find the largest holes on the surface. These holes are for the mini-fix housings or cams to assemble your unit. When inserting these cams, special attention must be made to point the stamped arrow on the cam toward the direction of the corresponding hole pre-drilled into the edge of the panel. Using this instruction, complete installation of all dowels, bolts, and cams into each panel and brace.
Good.
Now it is time to line up the back braces to the side panels. The mini-fix cams will face outwards towards the back or top and bottom of your unit. If your cams are aligned with the arrows facing toward the corresponding mini-fix bolt, your back brace will insert easily. If your back brace does not insert easily, the cam may be misaligned during handling. Simply take your screwdriver and realign the cam arrow again to correct the issue. Align and insert the top and bottom panels using the same method. For the last side panel, attention must be taken, as multiple dowels and bolts must be aligned prior to securing to avoid damage to the panel or holes. After everything is aligned, tap the panel in place with a rubber mallet to avoid damage to the surface of the panel. Once all panels are secured, use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten each of the minifix cams and fully assemble the closet unit. Now let's stand the tower unit upright to assemble the shelf clips and shelves. Insert 4 metal shelf clips into the height position you want for each adjustable shelf. Shelf heights can be readjusted according to your changing needs. Your tower closet unit is now fully assembled and ready to install in your new closet system.